That's good. I thought it was pretty comfortable in there. I feel like Alaska had a lot more legroom than other brands.
I feel like I had a lot of legroom. I was gonna say that.
Last time we were here, it was like barren.
Dark. Well, it was dark. It was at night.
When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs. Resort and underground transportation options are on level 1.
Get your ears in there. Oh god. Everyone talks about how the hallways here are very long, but it's always a long walk to the elevator.
Yeah.
I think we are one of those people, unless there's other elevators down here.
Wow.
I'm gonna get lost here. Are you ready? Does that mean it's
I think
going?
it's open.
No. Now it is. I'm just following. Listen to the music.
Yep.
Look how high this counter is, and these knobs are so pretty.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Oh, how's our view?
It's not as good as the water, but seems fine.
Yeah, it's not bad. I can get out. I don't know how to get out.
Is that Hollywood?
I don't know. It might be. It could be just another hotel though. What do you think?
It's pretty.
We're on our way to... Wait, I think we need to turn here.
Maybe.
Yeah, we're gonna miss it again. We are at the Vineland Premium Outlets. Trying to find the Disney outlets so we can finish our Christmas shopping. And we took a Lyft over here. And we had credit, so that was cheap. That was great. The flight, I don't know if you already said, the flight was pretty smooth. A little bumpy, but nothing more than like riding in a car.
That's just average bumpiness.
Yeah, I know, but I've had a lot of flights that were smoother than that one.
Yeah, but that's just
It's just
an
because it
average
lasted
flight.
quite a long time, the bumpiness, that's all.
I just don't notice it anymore.
Good, I'll get that way every day, right?
Yeah.
I'm already so much better at flying, aren't I?
Yeah, I think so. Especially when you were just... We went so fast.
Oh,
Just
in
came up
between,
on us.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, there it is. Disney Character Warehouse. When we came for our engagement trip, 2 years ago today, actually, was when we left for our engagement trip, like left to go home. We tried to find the just engaged pins. They didn't have it. They only had happily ever after. So we went to our Boardwalk hotel, like front desk, whatever, to try to find just married for this trip, and they couldn't find that, but they did find just engaged. So now we have just engaged pins. We're gonna keep trying to find just married.
Yeah.
You think we'll find some?
I think we will.
Okay, well, we found cool stuff in there. First, we made a lap around and we were like, we didn't find anything. We were kind of disappointed because I don't know, I guess I had higher expectations for some reason. But then we did another lap and we ended up finding Christmas gifts for 4 out of the 5 people we wanted to find stuff for. And while we were in there, we figured out what we're gonna get the 5th person that we couldn't find anything for. So, feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
And then as we were walking on the store, we ran into an older man who recognized us from the plane from Portland. And so we started talking to him. He's here going on he said he stopped us and said he recognized us from the plane, and so they're going on a cruise, and it was fun. I like talking to nice people. He was just so friendly.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, and I'm starving.
Yeah.
I've been starving for a little while, so we're gonna see if the food court has anything good.
Yep.
Oh. Sorry, I got really excited. I wanted to show off my outlet find that I got for myself. Isn't this perfect? So I am not a minimalist. I wouldn't call myself a minimalist, but I don't like stuff, and Austin gets mad because I just try to get rid of everything, and he likes to hoard quite a bit more than I do. And so this is perfect because it was 99 cents. And it's tiny, and it says the year, and it says Walt Disney World. It's like the perfect souvenir.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with this. It's small and
cheap.
And then we were checking out, and I was like, wait, did that ring up right? Because I forgot about sales tax. So we're back in the land of sales tax again. I have to get used to that, but still, 99 cents.
I know Rachel doesn't find this funny, but there was some noodles left on the table after we ate. Rachel fell off of her chopsticks while she was eating. And I was like, are you done? And she's like, yeah, I'm done. And so I grabbed the noodles off of the table with my chopsticks, and I pretended I was gonna put it in my mouth. And the face that she had on her face was just, it looked like she was about to slap my face off.
Not your face, your hand. I was gonna smack it out of your hand. Did you see me like twitch? I went like this.
Yeah.
And then I was looking at my phone, and he comes over with his chopsticks, and I see him out of the corner of my eye going like this, and I go like this to hit him, like to hit it out of his hand. Like, no, what are you doing? That's disgusting. And then I stopped because he was making a face, like obviously he was joking.
Yeah. She didn't find it funny.
Not at all.
But it was hilarious. I wish I recorded the face that she made. So good. Are you mad?
So mad. So next time we come, we're staying here, right?
Yeah.
This is the Grand Floridian. We've
Yep.
never been here before. There's the ingredients over there. This is what goes into making this whole gingerbread house. Oh, you can walk through. Oh, that's the little store. Look, you can buy stuff out of it.
Oh, really?
You can buy gingerbread shingles and things. I think we need to take a selfie with the Christmas tree.
Probably.
Cool. Where's the piano? There's somebody playing.
Yeah.
We're in the Grand Floridian DVC right now, and we had to scan the magic thing to get in, and it let us in. So apparently we're staying at Grand Floridian, and we didn't know. Uh-oh, that guy just walked over. And then I think we're gonna go up here. Yeah, that's pretty easy.
I didn't even realize it went up like that.
I like these little penguin guys. Are we gonna renew our vows here in 10 years?
Maybe.
This is the wedding pavilion. And look, there's the Polynesian right across the water over there.
That little white tower over there.
Can you see? You can't even see my finger.
Can't even see your finger.
But that right there is the castle.
And the wedding pavilion.
We're on the beach of the Polynesian by the overwater bungalow things. And we're waiting for the electrical water pageant to come by. And I'm really excited to see it because the song, like the theme song for it, is serious nostalgia from when I was like 3, going to Disneyland. So I'm really excited. Oh, that's fireworks.
Is it?
Yeah.
From Magic Kingdom?
Oh, I don't know. It's 8:43. That wouldn't be Happily Ever After's at 9. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Didn't you see a firework?
I didn't see a firework, but
I saw
heard
something
it.
in like a boom and a red light. I don't know.
I don't know. But they should be starting about 7 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what they said.
The water pageant.
Yeah, the water
And
pageant.
then Happily Ever After would be shortly after that. And then I think, so we went and we looked at everything in the Grand Floridian that I wanted to see. Saw Gingerbread House, and you saw. And then we went into the Polynesian and just kind of went through the gift shop. And there's really not, like, we've seen it at night and how pretty it is. And we've kind of seen it, and we've seen the overwater bungalows. There's not really, I don't really care about Trader Sam's. We don't drink. It's not really something that's important to me. So then I think that we're gonna, after we watch the show, the pageant, we're gonna go over to Contemporary over there and check it out, and that'll finish off the monorail loop. And yeah.
So far,
How many
place-
resorts have we seen?
which resorts do you want to
Stay at?
so far?
Both of them, the Grand Floridian and the Polynesian. I definitely don't want to stay in the overwater bungalows, though. I think they're silly.
Yeah.
When I think tropical, I think like green and trees and things, not being over the water. That's like why
Yeah.
for Mexico we picked a place that was in the trees instead of a room that's right on the beach, because that's what's important to us. We like the jungle.
Yep. We like
Do you have anything more to say than yeah? Yeah. No?
No.
We should probably stop swinging to make people just watching the video.
We're not moved. That's
That's true. It's just the background. We got married on September 22nd, and we the courthouse where we got our marriage certificate is where my parents live and where I grew up, but not where we live. So we actually gave it to my mom, and she brought it in and handed it to the people to turn in our marriage license after it was all signed and done. And then I had paid up front for a certified copy to be mailed to me because I just wanted to have one. I don't know, for whatever. And it was like 6 weeks after our wedding and we still hadn't had it, so I called the courthouse and they had never received, they lost our marriage license. And I know my mom gave it to them because she texted me right after she turned it into them.
Mm-hmm.
So she wouldn't have texted me saying I just gave it to him if she hadn't, you know what I mean? Not like she just forgot. I know she did it. So they lost it, so they gave us a new copy. So anyway, we weren't legally married for a month and a half when we thought we were, and so we had to sign a new one and turn it in. So we were just saying, we went to Mexico right after our wedding, and that was our wedding ceremony honeymoon. But now this Disneymoon is actually we're legally married honeymoon.
Yep.
Because now we're actually married. We weren't before.
No. Yeah, we're actually married now.
It's legal. I got my certified copy.
Yep.
Came into our room after being out, and our bag's here, and this was on the floor, so I knew it must be something cool. And look, oh my gosh, Mickey and Minnie gave us a congratulations picture because we got married. So cute. I love it.
Cute.